Hello. Hi guys, I am gaming with this guy. If you don't know me, now you know me. And today we are playing a game called Royal. Oh wait, no. I need to find some boom salon, and we're working there. So if I do great or do bad, I don't know. Wait, I didn't join the group. No. Yes, I'm not seeing. But before that, we need to do the staff manager. Wait, wrong one. Can you go to trainings? Do salon training says I think. I don't know which one. Where is it? Let's just go and find job center. You go to the job center and press play and just wait. I need my song. Okay, yeah. Please select a job to apply for. Are you willing to put hours into the job? Yes. Will you respect all members of the salon? Yes. Will you troll in the salon? No. Do you understand that the more active you are in the salon, the higher the chance of promotion is? Yes. If you see an exploder, will you alert a high rank? Yes. If you wear a uniform from the grape store during shift, the chances of you being promoted is higher. Understood? Yes. Do you promise to abide by all Roblox rules while playing Film Salon? Yes. You have been hired. And soon will be teleported. So you go to the group and press Film Salon. 34 people are playing right now. So you go and press play. You make people beauties. On my phone. Okay. Hey, here, I'm a makeup artist. Okay, let's go. Get in. What is a fume? Oh, this. Wait, can I wear them? Let's wear this. This. Hey! I'm a cool. Just kidding. Let's go and back. Style yourself on me. Lo. I can't say myself, but I can say people. Okay. Hi, welcome to FS. Hi, welcome to FS. I am Panda. Hello, welcome to FS. I'm Panda. I am Panda. Okay, please don't be stupid. Follow me and sit down. Sit. What Hair color. What hair color? Oh, you want a sparkle time fedora? What? Did I just discover a hat? Cause I don't like this hat. What's wrong with the hell game? I can't make her wear it. I quit my job. Bye. He's not gonna be mad at me now. And before that, bye bye guys. Don't make sure to wait for that. But bye bye. Bye bye. How do we do this?